So in today's mastermind, we discussed the topic of can you work with brokers outside of the broker channel? And the short answer is yes, you can. In fact, the definition of a mortgage broker is someone who brokers a deal, who finds the lender on behalf of the client, regardless of who pays the broker, if it's the bank or if it's the client. When you're doing with working with files that you're placing with lenders outside of the broker channel, in most cases you're gonna fee the client. So there need to be specific files, and most of the time they're not regular files. They're files who have a hair where you cannot put the deal together especially, or you have to find a specific lender with a specific program where the file is gonna fit. So I'm gonna give you two examples of files that would work outside of the broker channel. Maybe three. First one, construction files. Construction files usually are outside of the broker channel, and you can go to most lenders and try to broker a file like that. The second one would be small credit unions. So there are local credit unions in all the provinces that they may not work with brokers and they may not compensate brokers. But if you have a local property in that area and you contact the local credit union and you talk to the branch manager, you're gonna be able to submit that file to them, treat it like any other lender. The only difference is that you need to submit a letter of a direction to the lawyer, and you fee the client, and you have to tell the client up front. So that's a typical example. Another one is working with major banks. I have broker files with, for example, CIBC, okay? And in that specific cases, you have to be careful because you have to ask the person dealing at the bank if they can receive referrals from brokers, because in some channels they cannot receive referrals. But if they can receive referrals, then you can submit that file to them, and same process, you fee the client, and you do all the compliance papers, everything else the same as if it was a lender inside the broker channel. So hopefully that helps. If you want a training on this topic, leave a comment below and say training for lenders outside the broker channel, and I'll set something for you, and I'll send you the invite link. All the best.